Alright, so I've been working on some new software pretty much based on some of the math done in the last video, or for the last video. And it's quantum metaphysics bridge software. So I could type in like DMT first, so carbon 12, hydrogen 16, nitrogen 2, and push enter or click analyze, whatever. And there's visual results of math. Detailed number results for the color wavelengths right there that match the papers, and then some. And I threw in the music notes so that people who make music could possibly use this if they wanted to. Not just from brain chemicals or whatever else has these 5 elements in them. Or they could just type random numbers in there if they want, and it'll come up with some kind of 3-note combination. It might work. Alright, so I could either push escape or click erase and then clear it. Then I can do the oxytocin again too and get the same repeatable results here. And I guess the S was sulfur, and it didn't really have to do with phosphorus. I thought it did, but it was still the right atomic number though anyway, so it still worked out right with the math. Alright, so there's oxytocin right there. Click erase, or actually there's another thing, element data. You can look at that too on here, and it has lots of stuff you can look at. Gonna make another version of this software too. It's gonna have more stuff in it, like brainwave data and stuff like that, and whatever else I can think of to put in there. And we could look at, I suppose next we could look at an interesting thing. Say, what if there's some kind of a universe molecule of a sort that just has to do with 4 out of 5 of these elements here. So basically it'd be a universe brain chemical sort of, if there is such a thing, just kind of base it off of these proportions that there were out there. I was looking for on Google, so I could type that in. So it'd be like carbon 5 and hydrogen 739 and nitrogen 1, oxygen 10. Push enter. And I thought that was an interesting result. So blue, green, and teal, gray, or whatever, for the universe molecule, if it exists. And there's a lot of blue and green and spectroscopy of certain things, like microwave background of the universe. It's more of a muddy green too. And so you go down here and click on negative color meanings down here, and give you meanings of that, and it would explain a few certain things that might go on with the negative side of the universe's consciousness, sort of. Wow. I got a bunch of certain things I could do readings on with this. It's basically so it's like going from physics to mysticism somehow. It's like the other direction than, say, my wave mixer app, which would go from mysticism to physics with wave mixing, of course, and so yeah, it's kind of cool stuff going either way here. So I think this video has gone on long enough, so you can download this software and run it if you have a Windows PC of some kind, of course, laptop, desktop, whatever. Most people have Windows 10. If they do, it'll run on Windows 10 for sure. Not sure about earlier Windows. Maybe as far as back as XP is, according to what I used to make this. And originally I was trying to make it with C++, C#. Didn't work out so far with those. Maybe in the future it will. But then I remembered, hey, scientific apps can be made easier and better with Visual Basic. Pretty nice, huh? Visual Basic. Alright. So that's it for this. Maybe I'll make another video soon. Alright.